Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Netflix and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first app and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.